Hey everybody, it's Dave, the founder of Recapture here, and I'm going to show you all about Reva, the new Recapture AI email assistant that we just launched this last week. Super exciting stuff. You can completely rewrite any email in Recapture now and get the help of somebody who's an expert email marketer, email author, and conversion rate wizard, all rolled up into one, and all you have to do is just write down some stuff in plain language and it will do all of the hard work for you. I'm going to show you that today here in less than 60 seconds. All right, so I'm inside of the Recapture email editor. I'm going to go up here to the AI assistant, or you can just hit Control G in your favorite thing. I have a prompt that I've already written right here, but you just describe the changes that you want to make to the entire email. So here I'm going to rewrite this abandoned cart email in our traditional remind, persuade, and close framework. This is the initial email, so I just want to remind them. I'm selling shorts and I'm a competitor to Chubbies, so I want to use the colors, tone, and product language from my competitor here because that's what people are going to be familiar with. I'm asking it to be persuasive without being pushy and make the email beautiful. So I've gone ahead and hit apply on the prompt, and it took a couple of seconds to generate, but boom, all of a sudden now I have a complete email all done here. Your weekend warriors are waiting. Hey there, legend. We've noticed some epic gear in your cart, but you didn't make it to the finish line. These aren't just clothes, they're your ticket to maximum comfort. These are the things that Chubbies was already saying on their website. And they've matched all of the colors on here. You have the orange and you have the orange right here. You've got some stuff here that I might need to correct based on what offers are available on my site. But I did it in just seconds. And now you can make a few changes and boom, you have a full email all ready to go. That's how easy Recapture's Reva is to use. I hope you'll give it a try today.